Hello, in this video I'm going to share with you the features of Twitter to provide feedback. First of all, you can start with adjusting your Twitter circle. When you click the Twitter circle button at the left column, you can adjust your Twitter circle. You can even set up specific groups. And also you have the option to add and remove whenever you want. After creating your Twitter circle, you can see the members in the Twitter circle section. Click the tweet button and start to share your posts. Before you share your post, you can choose your audience. Type your feedback in the text box and add a hashtag by putting hashtag icon. You can use unique hashtags for your specific study group, classroom, or assignment. After that, click the tweet button and share your post. To see the relevant posts, you can write the hashtag at the right column and can see that all posts were shared about that hashtag. You can react to other posts, you can like, or you can put your comments to answer their posts. Additionally, you can create a poll in Twitter. After adjusting your Twitter circle, you can text your question and create a poll with your answers. You can also set the duration for your poll. After sharing, you can see the percentage of answers and the number of people who voted. It will help you to get effective feedback on Twitter.